today we're making maple black walnut syrup. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. This recipe makes 4 half-pint jars. Go ahead and sanitize your jars before we start so they're ready. You can use 2 cups of black walnuts, but really pecans, hickory, any kind of nut can be used in this recipe. 1.5 cups of corn syrup, or if you prefer, use honey. One cup maple syrup. When you get done with this recipe, go over and check out this video I did on making maple syrup. One-half cup of sugar. I prefer brown sugar, but this recipe actually called for white sugar. Process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Walnut syrup is great served over pound cake as a dessert. There are many ways you can use this wonderful syrup. It would be a little expensive on pancakes, but you could use it there too. I like it on ice cream. Be sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Be sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to hit the like bell. Check out these other videos and recipes in our Rebel Canners Foraging Recipe series.